Preparation of ketones from acyl chloride. Acyl chloride react with dialkylcadmium, which is prepared by the reaction of cadmium chloride with Grignard reagent to give ketones. When Grignard reagents react with cadmium chloride, it gives dialkylcadmium with a byproduct. This reaction can be understood as 2 moles of Grignard reagent can be written in this manner and the cadmium chloride can be represented by its structure. The magnesium halide reacts with chlorine to form a byproduct, and the chlorine of cadmium chloride are being replaced by alkyl group. Thus, the formation of dialkylcadmium takes place. In second steps, the acyl chloride reacts with dialkylcadmium to give ketone and cadmium chloride. The reaction can be understood as 2 moles of acyl chloride RCOCl can be written separately in this manner, and the dialkylcadmium can be represented as like this. So, the cadmium chloride can be formed by the formation of bond between chlorine of RCOCl and cadmium of dialkylcadmium, or we can say the chlorine of RCOCl is being replaced by alkyl group. Alkyl group replaces the chlorine of acyl chloride to form ketone. So 2 moles of acyl chlorides gives 2 moles of ketone. From nitriles, alkyl nitriles gives an addition product with the Grignard reagent which upon hydrolysis gives ketone. In general, the reaction can be represented as alkyl nitrile, that is R C triple bond, and react with RMgX. We know carbon and nitrogen contain 3 bonds between them. One of the pi bond will get break and the valency of carbon and nitrogen get opened. Or we can say the triple bonds convert to double bond and R will get added to the carbon and MgX will get added to the nitrogen, resulting in the formation of intermediate. The intermediate so formed upon hydrolysis gives ketone. 2 moles of water will combine in this way. 1 mole H2O and the second mole can be represented as HOH. So we can see the basic magnesium halide will formed as a byproduct, NH3 will formed as a byproduct, and the remaining part will form ketone. This reaction can be represented as when ethyl cyanide react with phenyl magnesium bromide, that is Grignard reagent, it gives an addition product. The alkyl part or the aryl part get added to carbon and the magnesium bromide part will get added to nitrogen. Finally, the NMgR part will get replaced by oxygen by hydrolysis. In this way, ketones can be obtained from nitriles, from benzene or substituted benzene. Benzene undergo Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction to give ketones, that is, benzene when reacts with acyl chloride or aryl chloride In the presence of anhydrous AlCl3, it gives a product which contains ketone as a functional group. That is, in order to obtain acetophenone from benzene, we react it with acyl chloride. One of the hydrogen of benzene ring combines with the chlorine to form hydrogen chloride as a byproduct, and the remaining part will get added to the place of hydrogen to gives acetophenone, that is ketone.